In this video, I'm going to show you how to select photos in Adobe Bridge. Now, of course, the first thing you have to do here in Adobe Bridge, here in this main box in the middle, you want to first open up the folder where your images are located. Now, here I have the same images copied over and over, but just bear with me because it doesn't really matter. I'm still going to show you how to select them. So if you just want to select a singular image, you can just click on it, and then it's going to get selected like this. As you can see, it's got the blue border, which means it's selected. But if you want to select multiple, there are two strategies you can use. So the first one is by holding down your Control key and then just selecting the images you want to select. So like this, holding down your Control key, and then after you select all of them, you can release the Control key, and then of course it's going to select only those images, and now in the preview those images will appear. And then the second thing you can do is hold down your Shift key. So click on the first image, then hold down Shift key, and then click on the last image you want to select. If you want to select a range like this, for example, and when you hold your Shift key and click on this one, it's going to select the range in between the first click and the second click. So that is basically how we can select photos, either individual. With Control, you can select a lot of different ones, and then with Shift, you can select a range of images. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.